Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my January 2022 IPSY Glam Bag Plus unbagging. So I am getting, it seems like a beauty subscription box every day this week, which I'm loving. So I got both of my BoxyCharm boxes already. Here's my IPSY Glam Bag Plus, but my IPSY Glam Bag should be here any day now. And based off of all of that, I'm sure you can tell that I love beauty subscriptions. So if you like to see beauty subscription unboxings and makeup reviews, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel because I am also doing full dedicated review videos every day on the products that I get in all of these beauty subscriptions. So this one here, the IPSY Glam Bag Plus, is monthly. It costs $28 a month. But what I like about this one, and that's different than the other ones, is that you get to choose 3 out of your 5 full-size products. So I do like that usually this bag is pretty well curated to me because I've chosen most of the products in it. So even though I chose 3 of my products, I have zero memory right now of what I actually chose for this bag this month. So I feel like I'm going into this being completely surprised. Oh, and this is such a cute bag for the month. I love the multicolor, has a little smiley face on it. This is so cute. All right, let's see. I don't even know why I get these little product cards because it doesn't have product information on it. Although this is cool information. It talks about skincare ingredients, what it does, and how long it takes to work. That is something you don't really think about. Like retinol minimizes fine lines, takes 3 to 6 months to work. So that's longer than I realized. But so let's get into the products here. Ooh, did I just pull out a palette for my first product? Ooh, this is really pretty packaging. It's from the brand Formula Z. So Pretty Transformation Shadow Palette. I am not familiar with this brand, and I am so excited to try out a new makeup brand to me. That is one of my favorite parts about getting these beauty subscriptions, but also I love getting eyeshadow palettes. This looks so beautiful. These sparkles are so intensely sparkly. I can't wait to try this. And I love neutral palettes like this because this is like my comfort zone, what I find myself reaching for the most. Wow, this is seriously an awesome first product for me to pull out. I'm so excited about this. But so since I didn't get product information, I can pull up the IPSY app and figure out my retail value because I want to see what this all adds up to. So the Formula Z Cosmetics So Pretty palette retails for $25. That's kind of pricey, but not crazy, I guess. Next up, oh my gosh, a Fenty beauty product. This is the Killawatt Freestyle Highlighter in the shade Hustler Baby. I love the brand Fenty. I am so excited to get a Fenty product, and I think this is a very popular, hyped product that I am so excited to get. Oh my gosh, it looks gorgeous. This is so exciting, and it probably is a product that I someday would have wanted to purchase on my own, so that is so exciting that I got it in my IPSY Glam Bag Plus. And this retails for $36. So that's a very expensive highlighter to me. The Fenty Beauty Killawatt Freestyle Highlighter in Hustler Baby. Wow, those first 2 products that I pulled out are so awesome. Oh, I thought this was another Fenty product at first based off the packaging. But no, this is from the brand Belle en Argent, which is another brand that I actually really like. And I've tried out a lot of products from this brand from IPSY. And so this is the Reframing Tinted Brow Gel. I actually was realizing today that my brow gel I'm using, I think is pretty much completely empty. So it's about time I change it up. So this is seriously perfect timing for me to get it. I have it in the shade Blonde Taupe, which should be the right shade for me. And this is nice packaging and a big brow gel. I love brow products. I'm very particular about my brows. So I'm really excited about this as well. So the Bell & Argent Reframing Tinted Brow Gel in Blonde Taupe retails for $18. Next, wait, the brand Context. I had never heard of this brand before, but I just got it in BoxyCharm. I got the Context Skin Matte Lipstick in my BoxyCharm base box for the month, and I was excited because I had never tried out this brand before, but wow, 2 Context products, and it's the first time I'm ever trying out this brand, and one was BoxyCharm, one was IPSY. That is really cool. And this here is the Nude Balm. Oh, and it's a 2-pack. Good thing I didn't get lipsticks again. Similar, but different. But yeah, like a classic, not too much going on with the packaging here. Twist up. I mean, it looks like a lipstick, but it's a balm. And I love lip balms, especially tinted ones. So I'm really excited to try these. So the Context Skin Tinted Lip Balm Duo in All or Nothing and Hard Time retails for $30. It is, in my opinion, a pricey brand. And my 5th and final product here. Cool, this is from Lauren Conrad, and it's the lipstick in the shade Shell. I think I had heard that Lauren Conrad had a makeup line or cosmetics line, but I have not tried out any products from this line, and I'm really excited to. So wow, I got, well, technically 3 makeup brands that I have not tried before in this glam bag, and I love that. For a beauty enthusiast like me, I am just so excited that there are so many makeup brands out there. So let's see. I feel like this is like a recycled package kind of vibe. Yeah, it does say recyclable. And this is cute packaging as well. A classic lipstick in a really pretty shade, like a nice nude, similar to my natural lip color kind of shade, which is also my comfort zone and a shade that I find myself reaching for probably the most often. So I am really excited to try this one as well. Cruelty-free, clean beauty. Awesome! I'm really excited about the brands in this glam bag. I keep talking about it, but I've got some favorite brands and new brands and all makeup products, which is really what I prefer to get in my beauty subscriptions. So I love this glam bag. Let's finish off by figuring out the retail value on the Lauren Conrad Beauty. The lipstick in Shell retails for $20. So I saw that they just announced that Addison Rae is the next IPSY Glam Bag X curator, creator, collaborator. But now that I'm seeing Lauren Conrad makeup in IPSY, I have a feeling Lauren Conrad is going to be a future IPSY X person. Just calling it now. But also, oh my gosh, imagine Fenty Beauty, if Rihanna did it, that would be so great as well. She probably will. I mean, they had Huda do it, so I'm really excited about Glam Bag X. I think that's a really fun one. I don't get Glam Bag X this month, but I am subscribed to it for whatever month that comes next. But so I'll do a quick recap and let you know my total retail value. So I got the Fenty Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter, the Bell & Argent Brow Gel, the Context Nude Balms, the Formula Z So Pretty Palette, and the Lauren Conrad lipstick. And all of that brings me to a total retail value of $129, which that retail value is a lot less than BoxyCharm, but it's still great value for products that I'm so excited about, products that I want, products that I'm actually going to use that I paid $28 for. So I'm super excited to dig into these products and try them out in videos very soon. But if you've already tried any of these products, I would love to hear your thoughts on them, your tips on using them in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.